The year 2024 will be etched in memory as a turbulent one for aviation. A sobering statistic underscores this point: airline fatalities more than doubled compared to the previous year. This surge in incidents has cast a shadow of unease over the industry, prompting questions about the state of air travel safety. It is essential to delve into specific events to grasp the gravity of the situation. The most devastating incident of 2024, the Jeju air crash in South Korea, claimed the lives of 179 souls. The suspected missile strike on Azerbaijan Airlines Flight 8432 over Kazakhstan further highlights the vulnerability of air travel to external threats. These incidents, coupled with a string of less fatal but equally concerning events, have rattled the flying public. The non-fatal landing gear malfunction on an Air Canada Express flight and the panel detachment on an Alaska Airlines Boeing 737 MAX serve as stark reminders that even seemingly minor technical glitches can have serious consequences. Tragically, the new year brought no respite from aviation disasters. The skies over Washington, D.C. were the scene of a horrifying collision between an American Airlines flight and a U.S. Army helicopter. This catastrophe, the deadliest in the U.S. in over 2 decades, claimed 67 lives, sending shockwaves through the nation. The start of 2025 saw a series of smaller-scale accidents, each leaving communities reeling in their wake. A medical jet crash near Philadelphia, a plane crash near Nome, Alaska, and a fatal incident involving musician Vince Neil's plane in Arizona, all contributed to the grim tally. These events, though varied in nature and scale, underscore a crucial point. The margin for error in aviation remains razor-thin. A confluence of factors, from mechanical failures to human error, can have catastrophic consequences. Examining the raw data offers a glimmer of hope amidst the tragedy. While 2024 saw 1,417 total crashes, with 258 resulting in fatalities, the first 2 months of 2025 paint a slightly less bleak picture. In January and February 2025, there were 99 total crashes, with 14 classified as fatal. Whether this downward trend will continue remains to be seen. It is too early to draw definitive conclusions, but this initial data offers a sliver of optimism. It suggests that the industry may be taking steps in the right direction, perhaps learning from the hard lessons of the previous year. Despite the recent tragedies, it is crucial to maintain perspective. Air travel remains statistically the safest mode of transportation. The odds of being involved in a fatal plane crash are infinitesimally small, far lower than the risks associated with driving, for example. Expert voices in the aviation industry echo this sentiment. Anthony Brickhouse, a renowned aviation safety expert, urges the public to await the findings of thorough investigations before jumping to conclusions. Willie Walsh, Director General of the International Air Transport Association, acknowledges the industry's strong safety record, while emphasizing the need for continuous improvement. The aviation industry has a long history of learning from its mistakes and emerging stronger. The challenge now is to identify the root causes of the 2024 surge in incidents and implement effective measures to prevent similar tragedies in the future. Passengers deserve to board an aircraft with the confidence that their safety is paramount.